Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to use a measuring cylinder to measure the volume of a liquid and to determine the volume of a solid by displacement. What is the volume? Volume is the quantity of space that an object occupies. In the picture, the object occupies 250 ml water or any liquid. So, this is the volume of space is 250 ml. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Other unit of volume includes cubic centimeter, milliliter or liter. The technique for measuring volume vary depending on whether the sample is solid, liquid or gas. First, solid. Determine the volume of regular objects. If the solid have regular shape such as a cube, cylinder or sphere, its dimensions are measured and the appropriate formula is used to calculate the volume. In the picture, this is the cylinder. The radius of base is r. There is depth of cylinder is h. So the formula of cylinder volumes of cylinder is pi r squared h. Other is a sphere. Is the radius of of sphere is r. So uh, the volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Other is a cube. There is a three dimension is a length, width and height. So we multiply three. We can find out the volume of this cube. Other is determining the volume of irregular objects. There is no shape. Irregular shapes, such as a stone. It is submerged and immersed into a measuring cylinder containing water. Then the volume of displaced water taken as the volume of the solid. Measuring the volume of irregularly shaped solid object is based on the principle that when object is completely submerged in water, it displays a volume of water equals to its own volume. This is known as a displacement or immersion method. Volume of irregular object can be measured by using two methods. One is a graduated cylinder, other is eureka can or overflow can. So first method is using graduated cylinder. Suppose you wanted to measure the volume or of a small stone. The following steps are necessary. This is the graduated cylinder. Firstly, fill the graduated cylinder with about 30 cubic centimeter of water. This is the V1. Careful measure the initial volume of water V1. Then 3. Then lower the stone into this water. Lower the stone into the water. And fourth, measure the final volume of water V2. This is the 40 cubic centimeter is V2. So the difference between the final and initial volume gives the volume of the stone Bs. So Bs equal to final volume divided minus initial volume. So 40 minus 30. So final volume of this stone is 10 cubic centimeter. This is the graduated, using the graduated cylinder to find out the volume of this liquid. Other is using overflow can or eureka can. If the object is too large to fit into the graduated cylinder, an alternative method is to use the eureka can, commonly known as overflow can. Steps is necessary to find out the volume of too large to fit into the graduated cylinder. We can find out the volume of these objects. Firstly, fill the eureka can with water up to the level of spout. Then 2 is the irregular solid stone with string. This is the string, this is the stone. 3. Thirdly, gently lower a stone into the water by using a string. The stone will displace some water into will be collected in the measuring cylinder. This is the measuring cylinder. Fifthly, the transfer the displaced water into the graduated cylinder. Sixthly, that's measure the volume of water. This is the volume of this solid which is too large to fit into the graduated cylinder. This is an alternative method to you can use the volume of a solid. Other state is liquid. The liter is the standard unit used for measuring volume of liquid. Liter 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1000 milliliter. This implies that 1 cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter. This instrument used for measuring volume of liquid in the laboratories. This is the beaker. Beaker, we can measure any liquid, the volume of liquid. This is the 250 ml liquid. Calibrated flask, we can measure the volume of liquid in the laboratory. Burette, this is burette, we can use in laboratory to find out any methyl orange or any liquid, volume of liquid. There's burette. There is another pipette, can use in chemistry lab. We use in chemistry lab. The other is a measuring cylinder. Already we used that measuring cylinder. So thank you for watching and subscribe our YouTube channel.